When it comes to winter driving emergencies like skidding, whiteouts, and finding yourself stuck or trapped inside your vehicle, knowing what to do in these situations could literally save your life. If your car starts to skid, it's important not to panic. First, take your foot off the gas and don't hit the brakes, since this can lock your wheels and prevent you from regaining control. Then gently steer in the direction you want the front of your car to go. So if your back wheels are sliding to the left, steer left. If they're sliding to the right, steer right. Remember to do this gently and be careful not to overcorrect, since this could send you spinning in the other direction. It's also important to keep your eyes focused on where you want to go rather than any obstacles you're trying to avoid. Your car will naturally want to follow your line of sight. Once your car starts to straighten out, gently steer back in the direction you want to go. Remember, the goal is to regain control, then steer where you want to go. Another dangerous aspect of winter driving is the sudden loss of visibility due to whiteouts or heavy snowfall. If you find yourself caught in a situation where you can't see the roads, it's important that you pull off the road safely. Use your turn signals, gradually reduce your speed, and pull over into a parking lot or other safe area away from the road. You should avoid pulling off onto the shoulder unless it's an absolute emergency, since this still places you at risk of being hit by another vehicle. Whatever you do, never stop in the middle of the road. Not only does this put you in immediate danger, but also increases the risk of causing a chain reaction accident involving multiple cars. Finding yourself stuck in the snow is frustrating, but taking the wrong step can make the situation much worse. First, resist the urge to spin your wheels, because that'll only dig you in deeper. Instead, before you start, turn your wheels from side to side to push the snow out of the way and create a path for your tires. Once you've done that, apply the gas slightly, easing your car out rather than forcing it. If that doesn't work, you can use a shovel to clear snow from around your wheels. You can also pour an abrasive material in the path of your wheels, like sand or kitty litter, to give them better traction. If all else fails, try rocking your vehicle from shifting forward to reverse and back again, applying a light touch on the gas each time. Sometimes this can generate enough momentum to get you moving. If you find yourself trapped in your car due to a winter storm or some other emergency, the most important thing to remember is to stay inside your vehicle. You're far safer and more likely to be found there than if you ended up wandering off. Keep yourself visible to rescuers by tying bright colored cloth or markers to your antenna, and use your dome light when your engine's running. But also be cautious of carbon monoxide poisoning when running the engine. Periodically, check that your exhaust pipe is clear of snow and debris, and never fall asleep with the engine running. You'll also want to conserve fuel, so you should only run the engine for about 10 minutes every hour to keep warm. Keep active inside the vehicle by clapping your hands or moving your arms and legs to help you maintain your body heat. And if there are multiple people, huddle together for warmth and take turns sleeping. There should always be at least one person awake at all times to keep a lookout for help. And if you have a phone, use it sparingly to conserve battery, but don't hesitate to call for help if your situation is life-threatening.